Hey, it's Dina. I'm here at the Kreinik Thread Factory, and I just wanted to point out a couple things about the Kreinik threads. If you've got a spool, let's see if I can get in here, that the color number has a letter after it, that means it's a certain finish, a certain different look. The V in this case means vintage, which is an antique look. So you can see this green is kind of antique. It's not like our bright high luster colors, which have an HL after them. Here's another one that's a vintage. So you can see it's kind of a duller finish, really pretty. It's a little bit stiffer, so when you stitch with it, I would stitch with probably shorter lengths. Don't go any longer than 15. And make sure you use a needle with a large enough eye. Any thread, if you're having a problem with the thread shredding or anything tangling like that, move up to the next size needle. It makes a huge difference because it opens the hole in the fabric a little bit more so that the thread goes through smoothly. There's less abrasion on the thread. That's an old bonus tip. But for now, just remember, check your color number and see if it's got a letter after it, because it might mean something.